Hello, Assalamu alaikum students. This is another story from the two stories of flying. It is about the story of the title of the story is The Black Aeroplane. The Black Aeroplane is about a pilot who feels happy to fly over a city that is sleeping. It means it was the time of night, and he is flying from Paris to London. While taking his flight, he dreams about the long holidays with his family. He also thinking about the breakfast he would have with his family. As soon as he crosses Paris, he get a look. As soon as he crosses from the Paris, he gets a look of the dark clouds that were a sign of upcoming storm. The right decision would have been to turn back to the Paris for the sake of the safety for any of the pilot. किसी भी पायलट के लिए उस वक्त सही फैसला यही था कि वो वापस प्लेन टर्न कर ले. But he being overshadowed by his dreams and he did not want to delay them, so he risked the life of his passengers, and he kept on moving straight into the storm. Everything gets dark. He is unable to see. All his direction instruments stopped functioning, and he lost control over the plane. When all hope was lost, he saw another plane whose pilot was more than willing to rescue them. The author was panicking as there was very less amount of the fuel left also in the plane. So it means it was such kind of a situation when he found himself in bad situation, and he was got stuck in that situation because of his own decision, because of his own dreams. That is anonymous pilot guided them out of the storm and disappeared. It was the night when the stars were shining in the sky above me, but the name of his plane was the Dakota, and it was not a new plane, it was the old plane. He was flying the old Dakota aeroplane over the France to London, and during that he was dreaming about the family which is going to spend with his family. And during that he had a storm, dark clouds, but he did not bothered about this, and he get entered in this, and that storms of clouds were very huge. They looked like a black mountain standing in front of the pilot in the sky. It was quite horrifying, and he know that he could not fly up and over them, and did not have enough fuel to fly around them from the another direction to this direction, from north to south and all. But I wanted to get home. बट उसको ये ज़िद थी, ये लगी हुई थी कि मुझे अपने घर पहुंचना है. आई वॉन्टेड दैट ब्रेकफास्ट about which he was dreaming. I'll take the risk, and I thought and flew that old Dakota straight into the storm. Inside the cloud, everything was suddenly black and impossible to see. His everything, her instruments stopped working, and suddenly it's like dead. Other instrument were like dead. He was trying to call the Paris control, but they cannot hear him. There was no answer for him. And he suddenly see one aeroplane who was flying simultaneously with him in the sky, and he waved his hand in such a way that he is saying follow me. इस तरह से हाथ हिलाया उसने कि तुम मुझे फॉलो करो, और उसको फॉलो करते करते वो अपने उस स्टॉर्म से, जो कि ऊपर आसमान में था, बाहर निकल आया. And obviously he was very happy to go behind the strange aeroplane. And finally the black aeroplane, after when the black aeroplane was rescued, after this the black aeroplane was gone, and he could not see it anywhere. और उसने वहाँ कुछ नहीं उसको दिखाई दिया. So he landed, the writer saying that I landed and was not sorry to walk away from the old Dakota near the control tower. उसको कोई अफसोस नहीं था कि उसने ऐसा डिसीजन लिया और वो डकोटा से उतर कर कंट्रोल रूम की तरफ चल पड़ा. And he asked the woman who was sitting in the control center where I was and who the other pilot was. I wanted to say thank you. So उस वक्त उस लेडी ने कहा, जो वहाँ बैठी थी, कि she looked at the pilot strangely and then laughed and say, another aeroplane up there in the storm? No other aeroplanes were flying tonight. Yours was the only one I could see on the radar. तो उसने कहा कि आपके अलावा कोई और एरोप्लेन ऊपर उड़ ही नहीं रहा था. So who helped me to arrive there safely without a compass or a radio and without any more fuel in my tanks? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane flying in the storm without lights? Author was amazed कि who was this? Who was that strange pilot who was helping him? And students, actually there was no other aeroplane in the sky in the storm, and there is no other pilot. ये उस